Hello everyone, I'm Ratomelia. So in this part, I will explain the consequences of standard-based testing. Yeah, standard-based testing has a both positive and negative effects. On the positive side, it helps teachers and students understand clear learning objective. Yeah, everyone knows what skill should be achieved, and it also increases accountability in education. I give you one example. Teachers can clearly see whether students reach the required learning standards. Yeah, however, there are some negative consequences. One major is increased pressure for both teachers and students. Sometimes teachers focus too much on preparing students to the test, which is called teaching to the test. Yeah, for example, teacher may spend more time practicing exam question, yeah, instead of teaching deeper understanding. So while standard-based testing can improve consistency, it also needs to be applied carefully to avoid negative effects in the learning process. Yeah, I will go to the next slide is test bias. Test bias happen when the test is not fair to all students and may disadvantage certain group. This can happen because of cultural, linguistics, or social differences. For example, reading text about winter activities may be difficult for students from tropical countries who are not familiar with snow. Because of that, teacher needs to make sure that tests are fair and inclusive for all learners. A good assessment should measure ability, not background differences. So, I think that's all I can say from my part. So thank you, and now I will continue to the next presenters. Bye bye.